are driving right now. And why are you staring at me like that? Sorry, I ate you, audience. I'm gonna go into the car wash. It's gonna be so cool. So put your, I'll hold it since like we're going in the car wash. Oh, it's kind of freaky. No, it isn't. Stop. Oh no. It's kind of freaky. I think we go in these. Okay. The thing is about to enter. Work freaking car wash.
Let's back up.
Like, you know, an aquamarine where like the whole like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So fun. The shaggy dog is going to stop now. Oh darn it. Oh, now there's the wind blowing part. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Hopefully the car's gonna be clean after this. Oh my god! This one's kind of scary. Ah, shaggy dog. They're enclosing us. Oh my gosh, we're enclosed. We're enclosed, guys. We're enclosed. We're enclosed. That's so cool. Oh my god, it's on our roof. Shaggy dog. Oh my god, look at it. What? Awesome.
Rinsing first.
Ooh. Oh, rinse. Can we like open the windows right now? It's so hot. That'd be awesome. We'd probably get really wet though. Wow. You have to go for it. Other goal is experience with knowing how to do it. Okay. I think we are getting blown. Do you see right there? Yeah, we're getting blown. I think. Because I hear like, do you see that? Those are like moving. Yeah. The whole car's moving. That's so cool. Okay, now it's starting to get boring. Sorry. We just saw a drunk driver. It was so freaky. Well, we think he was drunk. He was like, man. And then he was swerving his wheel, and we were right next to him, and I got so scared. Yeah, it was really freaky.
But Dea saved the day and got off the freeway.
We just went to Halloween City, and it was really scary, wasn't it, Bella?
Why are you saying that again?
What?
Why are you saying that again?
Because the camera wasn't on when I said that.
Oh. There's this really freaky, I was walking in this aisle and there's this really freaky thing that was like started moving on the floor and like, and pretty much like almost dragged my leg and it was really scary.
And all these things like started moving when she was walking by.
And nobody was in the aisle with me. And it was scary.
I didn't want to go in that aisle. The aisle was freaky. It's pretty intense, but we looked at the Ninja Turtle costumes. They didn't. They only have this like girl one for like older girls.
Sort of inappropriate.
Kind of inappropriate. There's this really inappropriate like. We probably shouldn't say it, shouldn't we? Carry on.
That's fine.
We saw this like there was like this genie guy and he had it right. Never mind. He was like the lantern was like it was coming around his waist and it said rub me right in the wrong spot.
Oh my gosh. We're about to get mani-pedis. Since my toes really badly need it. And my fingers. Let's see your toes. They're not that bad compared to mine. Let's see your fingernails. Oh yeah, we both need it.
I'm getting this for my fingernails and this for my toes.
I'm getting neon. So yeah.
Hey, I have this one. I have this color.
Bye. We are soaking our feet right now. It's on.
Careful, hold it with two hands. I'm scared.
Don't worry, it's not even over in the water.
My feet isn't clean yet.
Oh. My mom gets to get hers done before because she's special.
What did you say about your mom?
She's special. Oh wait, that's what I mean. Hi guys. Oh, that feels nice.
Oh, she's so pretty.
You like a shot?
Yeah.
Aww. I'm videotaping your nails getting clipped.
I know. Did you know that Shaquila's nails are infected?
Yeah.
So sad.
Does Chantal know?
Yeah. She's there. She saw it.